time we also tell remedy is the one which already given the result, reacted. Then only it's called remedy. Until that it's a drug only.
There will be 10 similar drugs, but only one similar.
One remedy. You got it? The similimum will be only one. That similimum is always, it is the
Similar drug.
similimum. Similar drug, exact potency, right repetition. Then it will become similar. Similar drug, exact potency, and right repetition. Then it becomes a similar. So almost for last 6 to 8 months, we all learned about how to arrive at a similar remedy. We learned about case taking, we learned on the medical knowledge, we learned with the miasmatic background, miasmatic drugs, all that only to know us to how to arrive at a similar remedy. Arriving at a similar remedy is a half-way. The other half-way will be to know what potency will suit to him and how much repetition is required. For these two, your knowledge of susceptibility is very good. You got it? Only this makes you to arrive at a right potency and right repetition. You got it? It is not that single dose for all the patients, for all the conditions. Or it is not that only 10 ml is a good potency. Or 200 is a good potency. There is nothing called a good potency or bad potency. Some teachers I have seen, they practice, they have the favorite potencies. But in my clinic always I tell, see, potency should be decided by the patient, not by the physicians.
But here in this case, last year when you had that lecture by Dr. Nikam, he gives only
30%. That's what I told. Some few teachers, practitioners are there, they have their favorite potency. But
in that case, do they repeat?
he tells that he is not repeating it. So
Not every day, but say once in.
I don't know. That's what this thing. He told that what are the cases you showed? He told 30 potency, one dose.
Even Madans are also all 1M only.
1M only. That's what. Some patients are there, some practitioners.
So 1M he
Mix
gives
it,
repeated.
mix it and only one.
Well, see, maybe it is easy to keep the stock. So you only keep the different medicines. No need not to be different potency. But actually, potency should be decided by a condition or a patient, not by a practitioner. So in same way, actually even Professor Vijay, he gives all his patients only 200. 200 only, no sorts are 1M. So where Nikum is to tell you all the this will be 30 and no sorts will be 200. But usually my individual approach in the practice is I keep it open. Let the patient decide. I use 3x also. I use MM also. In my clinic, the potencies varies from 3x, 6x, 30, 200, 1M, 10M, 50M, CM, M.
So you have this of all the remedies?
See, depending on our this thing, the commonly used. So MM you need not to get all the remedies in MMs as CMs. So and sometimes you need required also. You will not be required. For example, you will not be required belladonna or the chamomilla in the MMs and these things. So like that, few remedies is required. So few remedies may not be required, that one. Again, depending on how depth it goes.
This,
And sometimes, if it is exact case comes, I may give even chamomilla CM also, chamomilla MM also.
As you said, the
It is patient, but I will need not to keep it for months. Then I'll get
Yes.
it. So,
but this 3x and 6x is biochemical or?
homeopathic also. So you will get even most of them usually are the physiologically acting drugs.
Huh?
So most of them will be physiologically acting drugs. Usually, as you rightly told, more common in the biochemics than the homeopathic. Okay. So here, usually in homeopathic preparations as a dilution, we may not be having the X much and lower one. So we will always have the C. Okay. So usually what happens here is either 2C, 3C. The 2C is equal to 4x, 3C is equal to 6x. Then, if at all, then dilution form, if you are not getting the x, so if you are looking for a 6x, then by 3C. Is that 6x only?
No, even this is difficult to do.
Not all the remedies. So all the remedies, but at least this is how you can, this one. This is all pharmacy class. I am teaching for the doctors. So after pharmacy, you will all forgotten. No?
Yes, sir. First year.
Elements which one? Elements.
LM potencies are, it is, usually in my clinical practice, I don't use LM potencies. LM potencies are 50 millesievert potencies, like a 0 by 3, 0 by 6, all that. No? So it
But
is.
here, do they repeat it?
This is good for repetition only.
Every
Usually
day?
people who repeat the dosage, they use more LM potencies.
No, you give it every day.
So I am not practicing.
But
People, I think they do it on everyday basis. Cases which requires long-term repetition, they go for it. So it is in the 6th edition of Organon, Hanuman advocated about the LM potencies. But there is lot of practitioners has their own inhibition towards the 6th edition, because 6th edition was published after a very long gap of Hanuman's death. You all know it. After the long gap of this thing, thus too, the Boric and Tafelman who got purchased it and they published it. So the things which is propagated in the 6th edition, some people have the reservation that it may not be 100% animal means. Okay. And unfortunately, during Kent period, we never saw the 6th edition. It was only up to 5th edition. So the people who follows Kentian methods usually they restrict to the centesimal potency than the millesimal analysis. So even my experience with the LM potencies are very limited. In the beginning of my practice, I was trying 1 or 2 cases. Somehow I was not finding any superior the results compared to the centesimal potency. So I confined already. I was using so many potencies. Is one more additional this thing. Practicability also. It was not. I was not feeling any much better work with the LM potencies at that time. It is not that it is not work. It is my experience in that field may be limited. So in my clinical practice, I use most of the drugs only in centesimal potency, few in decimal potency like biochemics, but hardly biochemics I use as a curative one. In my clinical practice, I use biochemics more as a placebo effect. It's more of a placebo effect. Sometimes in this one, but only except that I don't use usually decimal potency. My main practice will be only at the centesimal potencies. Here, when it comes to the potency, what exactly we call it as, to decide the drug reaction or remedy reaction, the knowledge of susceptibility is very important. So, as you all saw, when you are seeing that even Dr. Shilpa also observed, when you are hitting a ball with a hard one surface, the reaction was different.